unboxing. Unboxing tayo ngayon, guys. Alright guys, hello! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Chris Life USA. So, this is my normal voice, normal sound, and normal volume. So, na-open ko na to, so we're going to unbox this box na Amazon packaging because I ordered a lot of stuff anyways, I already opened this and then we're gonna use this for our recording. So we'll see if it's really work. So yeah, this is a microphone for our vlogging microphone. So I ordered this and hello. So ayan guys. Nalagay ko na itong microphone. So we'll see kung maganda ang resulta nito. So, yan. Na-open ko na to kaya so tapos na yan. So i-open natin ay itong mga dumating kanina. We are going to open this package from Amazon that I ordered yesterday. So, make sure na ito ano mga pinang-order ko. Kung ano mga pinang-order ko. Uy, bakit parang kulang to? Baka natin. Okay, this one here guys is a silicone pouches, travel pouches, silicone travel pouches for my liquids. Different colors, and then I can put all my liquid and my stuff in here for my upcoming travel. So, yeah. Oh, I can put my facial cream and stuff. Wow, that's really cool. I like it. And then, may kasama na siyang ayan. 2 pounds. That's the one. So, then, so I just going to try this one. So this is very good for my scalp. Kasi I have pag palagi kang magkulay ng buhok mo, minsan mga balakubak ba, dry skin. So we need something like this. So I ordered something like this. This is a hair scalp massage. Diba? But I'm not going to bring this in my travel. So, see this one here. It's ouch. It's really nice. Oh, it's really nice. It's made of silicone. And it has a very good review on Amazon, and then it comes with different colors also, but I like pink. So ayan. So yan yon. May kasama pa siyang dyan. May kasama siyang strand para kung gusto mo yan. Alright, ayan yan. This is a conditioner for my hair because when I think when I travel to Europe, we have to be careful with the weight also kasi we are traveling light to Europe. So we have to bring what the airlines is allowed us to bring up in the cabin. So we only we are only travel carry-ons. So nag-order ako ng shampoo bar. So instead na liquid shampoo ang dalhin natin, magdala ako ng shampoo bar. So I ordered this. It's made in Switzerland. Shampoo bar and conditioner. Yan. So, ang bango. I-try ko to. So, i-try ko to. Ito ang bango. So, kasi for some reason, I have a problem with my scalp kasi palagi akong nagkukulay. Yan ang problema. Pag palagi ka nagkukulay, you have also also deal with the consequences na mag-dry ang buhok mo. And this one is a therapeutic shampoo. This is not going with me when we travel. But yeah, it's really good. It's scalp build up control therapeutic shampoo made by Neutrogena. Alright, ayan. Ayan siya. I just going to try it because kailangan ko talaga maging when I need something that helps my scalp, build up my scalp. So, yan yung mga dumating ngayon. And then this one here, ano naman to? Pill pouches. Okay. It's all about travel-related stuff. All travel-related stuff. So, this one here, I bought in Amazon for, I think it's $12. This is a gum travel toothbrush. Here you guys. Travel toothbrush. It comes to 6 siya lahat. So, 6. So, I'm gonna show you how cool it is. So, I'm gonna open this just to show you why I ordered this. And because I don't see this in the regular grocery store. So, this is a travel toothbrush. And ay, ano ba yan? Aray ko. So, ayan, this is a regular size, guys. See this? It's a regular size. So, the coolest thing about this is you can actually fold it. Okay? Parang hindi ako marunong mag-fold. Yun pala. Yun pala, oh. Yun pala, oh. And then, you can fold that. And then, ilagay mo siya dyan. And then, easy peasy. Diba? Hindi mahalatang toothbrush siya. Lifesaver. It's makasave ka ng daming space. Diba? If you're traveling light. So, yan yun. And then, you just simply open it. And then, it's a trifold. 1, 2, 3. So, it's a trifold. So, and then, you open like that. And then, you can toothbrush. Diba? Ang cool niya. It's really cool. Another thing is one here. am very excited about this. This is a 120 pieces of pill pouches. You know, pill pouches is, I'm going to use this. Iba-iba ang size niya. It has a different sizes. So when you're traveling, you use this for your pills. You can use this for any kind of stuff. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna use this for my pills. It's just, I don't have a lot of pills, you know what I mean. I only have one medication, but yeah. The main reason why I ordered this is because I want yung mga mga earrings ko, ano ko dyan, ilagay ko. I'm going to, you can put your earrings, your necklaces, you know what I mean? It's just very convenient because it's transparent and you can see what's inside the pouches. You can, it comes also with big sizes. So at saka ano siya, BPA free. So and then ano siya, clear. See, ang dami yan. And then so yeah, it has a lot. So clear zip lock pill pouches, double-sided. Yun. So, marami to. So, it's very good. Alright. Pwede mong ilagay dyan kung ano-anong mga you can put your hearing aid. You can put any kinds of stuff that you don't want to be, you know, at saka, it really saves a lot of space. At saka, BPA free siya. You can put candy there kasi ano siya, pwede mo siyang marayta ng label, spill proof, BPA free, moisture proof, and then you can write label, may label. Pwede mo siyang lagyan ng label kung anong laman. Alright. Next, ano naman ito? Na-share kung anong women's. Alright. Ito naman ay may, Morley ang tatak niya, Morley. Ito naman guys ay, ang liit lang niya. Ilagay ko lang dito. Halaan nyo kung ano to. Umbrella. This is an umbrella. This is because it's going to be very, very warm and hot and, you know, in Europe. So, you have to have something like this. Diba? Nag-order ako nito, umbrella. Travel size siya, very lightweight. And sa una, parang syempre may hirapan kang i-open to, pero paano kaya ito? So alam ko na guys kung paano i-open. Parang nag-open ka lang pala ng just normal lang. Ayan. Grabe, ang cute. So, kaya, pinili ko to kasi this is really for a sun guard. Sunshade. So, it's very good for sunshade. Kaya ko pinili yung kulay na to. So, yeah. O, diba? Oh. Pwede na ako mag-warly-warly. Oh, diba? Really cool. At green ang loob niya, tas ang ano niya, ayan. Silver. Oh. Grabe ang ano niya. Very lightweight. At grabe, i-fold mo siya, super liit ng fold. Oh. Ang liit. Ma-fold mo siya, ang sobrang liit-liit. Super cool. Alright. So, yun. So, yan. Hindi ko pa masyadong... ang cute pa ng lagayan niya, guys. Look, ang lagayan niya, ang cute. May ano siya, oh. May travel bag siya, travel pouch. Super cute. Silver ang kulay. Ang cute naman. Grabe, ang super lightweight. Super lightweight lang talaga siya, guys. It's so nice. Alright, so yan ang ating mga unboxing for today. Ayan, ang ating mga unbox. Ayan. O, diba? So, thank you guys sa mga panonood nyo dyan, sa lahat ng mga naandyan. Thank you so much for watching. Hanggang dyan lang muna. Thank you for watching. Ayan.